Hello children, this is the video for worksheet 3 from English workbook. Okay, so workbook portion you have to complete in your workbook itself. You don't have to make the copy for it. Okay, so now let us begin. Exercise A is the listening part that we will not do. We'll just begin with grammar and words. Okay, so first we will learn the use of and, or, but, so. Okay, so we use and to add an idea to a sentence. When we add an idea, then or when we talk of two things together, we use and. Okay, example, Salil swims and rides his bicycle on Fridays. Second one, we use or and but. Or is used when we choose any one from the two. Okay, and but when there are two opposite. Okay, opposite, when to show a change in what is being said. Example, do you like fruits or vegetables? Shami is smart but lazy. Okay, so and then the third use is of so. So is used to tell the result of something. So is used when we tell the result of something. Example, the shop was closed, so Ranu came back home. Okay, so we have to use these and, or, but, and so in exercise B. So let us begin this exercise. Number 1, we can visit our grandparents dash meet our cousins this weekend. Or, okay, so there are two options. Either we can visit our grandparents, or we can meet our cousins. Yes, two options are there. We have to choose any one. When there is a choice, we use or. Number 2, did they really build the house and paint it all by themselves? Means both the things together they have to do, so we will use and. Number 3, he has to return the books, so he is going to the library. Number 4, she must hurry or she will miss the train. Number 5, Aziz wanted to play in the rain but his mother did not let him. Number 6, why don't you go home and take rest? Okay, so then comes possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are the words that show that something belongs to someone. Possessive means something belonging to someone. Answer the question, whose? Mine, theirs, hers, his, ours and yours. So possessive pronouns, they answer the question beginning with whose. Okay, so mine, theirs, hers, his, ours, yours, these all are possessive pronouns. Exercise C, tick right the correct possessive pronouns to complete these sentences. Number 1, I have got my racket. Have you got yours? Number 2, this is my bag. That bag is mine too. Okay, so possessive pronoun for my is mine. Number 3, these are not my shoes. Sheena, are they yours? Number 4, Neera and Nitin's clothes are similar. Hers is blue and his is green. Number 5, our neighbor's garden is bigger than our garden, but theirs does not have as many plants as ours. Okay, so now we talk about subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns come before the verb or the linking verb. Okay, verb से पहले subject pronoun आएगा and object pronouns comes after the verb. Okay, first example is she helps her friend. So in this sentence, what is the verb? Help is the verb. So before the verb, subject pronoun she is used. Okay, and after the verb or the linking verb, then object pronoun is added. Okay, second example, the teacher wants to talk to you. Now comes exercise D. Match the sentences in the column A with the correct ones in B. Then underline the pronouns in the sentences. Number 1, the table is broken. It will be matched with the D option. Okay, the table is broken It needs to be repaired. And the pronoun is it. We will underline. Number 2, I need a new raincoat. Answer, mother will buy one for me. And me is the pronoun. Number 3, Jill is angry. She wants Jack to say sorry. Third one, okay? And she is the pronoun. Number 4, Miss Verma is busy. Please do not disturb her. Her is the pronoun. Number 5, my brother is very friendly. My brother is very friendly. It will be matched with everyone likes him. So him is the pronoun, and here my is also the pronoun, and the second one I is the pronoun. Number 6, Rena and I like sports. Yes, Rena and I like sports. I is also the pronoun here. Number 6, we learn basketball from Mr. Nair. Okay. Then comes exercise E. Make 6 pairs of synonyms from the words in the box and then write them in the petals. Okay, we have to make the synonyms. Synonyms means these are the words with the same meaning. So little can be matched with small. Yes. So little, small. Help, assist. Hide, cover. Excellent, good. Quick, fast. And collect, gather. Okay, collect, gather. Reading aloud, this is just for reading. You will read it. And then now comes the exercise G. Complete this short story as you listen. Once a bee was flying over a river. Sadly, he fell down into the river. His wings got wet and he could not fly up anymore. A dove was sitting on a branch of a tree nearby. She saw the little bee in trouble. She quickly plucked a leaf from the tree and dropped it in the water near the bee. The bee slowly climbed onto the leaf. He shook his wings dry. Then he thanked the kind dove for saving his life. A few days later, the bee saw our boy aiming his sling at the dove. The dove was asleep and did not know about the danger. The bee flew out to the boy and stung his hand. The boy cried out in pain and dropped the sling. He cried, woke up the dove. She thanked the bee for his timely help. Okay, so this was just a story, and it was some blanks were given. You have to first of all read the whole story, and then whatever necessary things you have to add in this story. Okay, exercise H. You have to see the picture and then read the words given below. With the help of these words, you have to complete the story. Complete the story in your words. Give it a suitable title. Now let me begin. Peter live with sisters and mother. Tree hole. Peter's sisters. Good bunnies. Collect berries. Supper. Peter naughty. Run. Mr. McGregor's garden. Carrots. Mr. McGregor steal carrots. Run. Peter run. Tool shed hide. Can Mr. McGregor not find? Can full water. Peter ill drink medicine. So with the help of these words, you have to complete the story and you have to give it a suitable title also. So the title is The Naughty Little Bunny. Okay, and the story can be just as I have written. Peter lived with his sisters and mother in a tree hole. Peter's sisters were good bunnies who went out to collect berries for supper. But Peter was a very naughty bunny. He ran straight to Mr. McGregor's garden to steal some carrots. Mr. McGregor saw Peter stealing the carrots and ran after him. Peter ran inside the tool shed and hid inside a can. Mr. McGregor could not find him. The can was full of water. As a result, when Peter reached home, he fell ill. He had to drink bitter medicine, while his sisters enjoyed delicious berries for dinner. Okay? Children, this N will not come. Okay? Gregor. Okay? Now there is a life skill. Look at this picture. Here the other children are laughing at the girl for some reason. Are the children doing the right thing by laughing at her? It is a cowardly act to tease, make fun of a person. So children, according to this picture, you learn that it is very bad to tease someone or to make fun of a person who is physically weaker, okay, than us and is trying their best to be better at something. We should always respect them and never be mean and unkind to them. Okay, so read these situations. Peter makes fun of his friend Preeti because she wears spectacles. He takes her spectacles away sometimes and teases her. B. Ravish plays football very well. He does not help Akash, who has just joined the team, and teases him when he tries to practice alone. Option C. Urja laughs at Monica, who reads English words with a little difficulty. So what will you tell Peter, Ravish and Urja? So what you will tell? Answer is, I will tell Peter, Ravish and Urja that it is very wrong to make fun of a person. I will ask them to say sorry to the people they have teased and been rude to. Okay, so here we have completed the worksheet 3. Please do complete this worksheet 3 in your English workbook. Thank you.